Hello people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will take you through the process of creating a portfolio where you can share and showcase your work. Before the video actually starts, don't forget to join our Discord, which you can find in the first link in the description. So the first step is actually to go on YouTube and create a channel if you don't already have one. And once your channel is created, you're gonna go on the top right here and click on create. You're gonna go with upload a video. And as you can see, you will get this page. You're gonna click on select files and import the files that you wanna showcase on your portfolio. While your videos are actually uploading to YouTube, you're gonna open a new tab and go to Behance.net. So Behance.net is the website or the platform that we are gonna use to create our professional portfolio, which is gonna sound and look a little bit more professional than sending your clients a Drive link or a YouTube playlist. So here again, you're gonna create an account if you don't already have one, or you can just log in by using a Google account. In my case, I already have an account, as you can see. So the next step is to go on share your work and click on project. So you will be provided with this page, and let's start creating our portfolio. The first thing that I wanna add is a big title. So I'm gonna click on text and type in short form content. There you go. I'm gonna select all. I'm gonna make it bigger. Make sure it's on the middle of the screen. I'm gonna change the font. I'm gonna go with Arial Black. Another tip that I will give you guys is to go on styles and change your background color. I'm gonna go with a dark blue. Okay, this will do. I'm gonna click on save and change my text to white. And there you go. So now to start adding our videos, you're gonna go to the right corner right here, click on embed, and then you will get this pop-up that asks you for a link. And to get this link, you're gonna go to your YouTube channel, click on your image on the top right corner, go to YouTube Studio, you're gonna click on content, and by clicking on the shorts tab, you're gonna see all the shorts that you have uploaded previously. So let's say that for some reason I wanna take this video and put it on my portfolio. So what you're gonna do is click on view on YouTube. There you go. As you can see, it opened up. You're gonna right click on your video, go on copy embed code, go back to your Behance page and paste it right here. Click on embed, and there you go. It has been imported, as you can see. What I suggest you do is click on the logo right here to make it smaller so that more content can fit on our screen. As you can see, it is smaller. Let's import a new one. So we're gonna click on embed again, go to our YouTube page. Let's import this one. So you're gonna hover over it, click on view on YouTube. You're gonna right click, copy embed. Make sure not to click on copy video URL, but to click on copy embed code. We're gonna go back to our Behance page. You're gonna paste it right here. You're gonna click on embed again. As you can see, it has been imported. Let's make it smaller by clicking on the top right corner right here. And there you go. So another tips that I wanna actually give you guys is, as you can see, there is a lot of space between our elements. So what you're gonna do is click on styles again. And here, reduce the content spacing. Click on save, and there you go. So after you have imported all the material that you want to showcase on your portfolio, you're going to click on continue. As you can see, you will get this pop-up asking you to put in a title for your project, some tags, and what software you used during the creation of your projects. So let's say that, for example, we're going to type Capcut. There you go. And last but not least, don't forget to put in a thumbnail, and you're gonna click on publish. So as you can see, I went off camera and created a little portfolio to showcase a little bit of my work. So I started with a title that I've created using Photoshop, and by scrolling down you can see few of my work. Another tip that I want to give you guys is don't forget to put your contact at the end of your project. Maybe put your WhatsApp, your email. And to actually get the link that you want to share with your clients to showcase your work is you're gonna hover over the project. You're gonna hover over this logo right here, click on promote, and as you can see, you will be provided with a link that you can share with your clients. So there you go guys, that was it for our today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to join our Discord, which you can find in the description, where you can get all the assets that will help you create your portfolio. Thank you and see you guys next time.